Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm unboxing the Acer Predator Helios 16S, and this one is a powerful version with an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, RTX 5060 graphics, 1TB NVMe SSD, 16GB RAM, and an OLED display. So this is not just a normal laptop. This is made for gaming, editing, multitasking, and heavy performance work. First, let's look at the box. The packaging already gives that Predator gaming feeling. The big logo on the front looks bold and clean, and the box itself feels pretty solid. From the first look, you can tell this is not a basic laptop package. It feels like Acer wanted the unboxing to feel premium from the beginning. Now I'm opening the box, and inside, everything is packed nicely. The laptop is placed safely in the middle, covered properly, and there is also a small Predator box on the side. I like this kind of packaging because it looks clean and organized. Nothing feels messy, and the laptop looks well protected. Now let's take the laptop out. It comes inside this black protective sleeve, and honestly, this gives the unboxing a much better feeling. It is not just basic plastic wrapping. The sleeve makes it feel more premium, and when you hold it, you can already feel this is a serious machine. Next, I'm checking the small items inside the box. We get the usual papers, warranty details, and some Predator materials. This part is not the most exciting, but it is still important to keep everything safe, especially the warranty papers. There is also a small Predator item, which adds a nice gaming touch to the package. Now let's check the charger. The charger is big, but that is expected with a laptop like this. When you have a Core Ultra 9 processor and RTX 5060 graphics, the laptop needs proper power, especially when gaming, editing, or running heavy software. So yes, the charger is not small, but for this kind of performance, it makes sense. Now the laptop is finally out on the table, still inside the black sleeve. This is the exciting part because we are getting closer to the main product. I'm going to remove the cover, connect the charger, and power it on for the first time. After removing the sleeve, the laptop looks really clean and sharp. The Acer Predator Helios 16S has a gaming look, but it is not too much. Some gaming laptops look very loud, but this one feels more balanced. It can fit nicely on a gaming setup, and it can also look good on a normal desk setup. The body feels solid, and it gives that premium performance laptop feeling. Now I'm connecting the charger and getting ready to power it on. This is always one of the best parts of any laptop unboxing. The first boot, the keyboard lighting, and the display turning on make it feel fresh and exciting. Since this model has an OLED display, I'm really looking forward to the screen quality. OLED should give deep blacks, rich colors, and strong contrast, which is great for gaming, movies, photo editing, and video editing. Performance-wise, this laptop should be very strong. The Intel Core Ultra 9 is made for heavy multitasking and performance work, and the RTX 5060 should be great for modern games, editing, rendering, and creative software. The 1TB NVMe SSD is also a big plus because it gives fast boot time, quick loading, and enough space for games and project files. The 16GB RAM is good for gaming and daily editing, but later upgrading it would make it even better for heavy work. So overall, my first impression of the Acer Predator Helios 16S is really good. The packaging feels premium, the laptop looks strong, and the specs are powerful. This is a solid choice for gamers, creators, editors, and anyone who wants serious performance. That's it for the unboxing and first look. Next, I'll test the OLED display, gaming performance, temperature, fan noise, and editing performance to see how it performs in real life.